In today's world of work, proficiency in Microsoft Excel is very crucial. From data analysis to financial modeling, Excel is a powerful tool that can enhance your productivity and career opportunities. Hi, I am Charles Sotogile, a certified Microsoft Office specialist in Microsoft Excel, and I have over 10 years experience using the tool. If you ever felt overwhelmed by Excel, this is the course for you. Whether you are a complete beginner or looking to brush up your skills, I have designed this training with you in mind. No prior knowledge of Excel is needed. In this course, we'll cover everything from basic to intermediate topics, including navigating the Excel interface, essential Excel functions and formulas, creating and analyzing pivot tables, charting data for clear visual insights, and using conditional formatting to highlight information in your presentations. Join me in this journey to master Microsoft Excel and unlock your potentials. Enroll now and start transforming your Excel skills today.